Welcome to the Windows Club. If your mouse wheel is zooming instead of scrolling, then either read to this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. First of all, check your control key. If it is stuck, then your mouse will obviously zoom instead of scrolling. The next solution will be to disable the zoom on rule with IntelliMouse feature, and this is specifically for Microsoft Excel. Open Microsoft Excel, click on File, select More, click on Options, go to the Advanced tab on the list on the left hand side. Then you'll find this option for Zoom on Roll with IntelliMouse. You have to uncheck it and click on OK to save the settings. The next solution will be to change or reset the keyboard layout. This has been explained over separate articles and videos. The next solution will be to update the mouse drivers. Go to intel.com and search for the mouse drivers in the Intel search bar at the top right corner. Download the drivers and run them on your system. The last solution will be to disable the pinch zoom option. Right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings window, go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select touchpad. Then click on scroll and zoom. You'll find this option for pinch to zoom. Uncheck it. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.